Never mind Cybertruck, because Willie Doo has his heart set on something else. And if you've been following this show for a while, you know damn well what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the bucking Bronco from Ford.
Yeah.
And apparently they're piling up, I guess.
This is a sad story, actually.
They're waiting
it's sad?
they're waiting for chips, right?
Waiting for chips
Chip shortage.
in Michigan. So you can kind of see in this video here, it's literally rows and rows of brand new Broncos that are lined up and, you know, ready to go. They have purchasers, but no chips.
Damn.
Wow.
And it's really sad because there's snow on them. It's just
Yeah.
like a desolate place.
Yeah, it's a ghost town. It's a zombie town. Those cars are zombies. They're missing their brains.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
They need that like little spark, and then they're off. And they have so much personality. The Bronco,
Yes.
like they are such a Pixar looking character
Yes.
that they look especially lonely.
Mm-hmm.
Some cars have less personality, but a Bronco has an actual face.
Big character.
It actually has an actual face on it. Wouldn't you agree, Will?
Yeah.
Mo, would you agree?
Mm-hmm.
So these are all just
I feel like
Broncos.
both of you guys could get a Bronco. I think Will can convince you as well. I mean,
Yeah.
you may have slightly different specification. Did you were getting like a gray one
Maybe dark gray
or a black one?
or a black one. Yeah.
Which one are you going to get, Mo?
I haven't really looked into it.
Well-
I just like that Will's got this vehicle that he wants really bad.
That's it. You prefer the Vicarious.
Yeah, I think it's
Through-
fun to watch him obsess over it. I got
Okay.
my crypto in stocks right now. When that goes away, I'll look into this.
Oh, I see. So when you sell the farm eventually,
Exactly.
then you'll be getting one of these. Yeah, no, listen, this chip shortage has been a disaster, and it's actually not the entire brains of the vehicle. It could be a chip that controls some stupid little
Right.
function, but it's necessary for the completion of the vehicle, and
Mhm.
they're just sitting there, and Willie Doo can't get them.
Yeah.
You could always pay the markup and get it off of.
I know, but yeah.
You don't want to pay the markup because why? You
Not
need
really,
you
no.
need to order it exactly the way you want.
I gotta spec it out myself. We had this conversation.
Yeah, I know the specking of it is like
That's the fun part.
that's more important than actually using it.
Yeah, exactly.